Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can fix Chase mobile app login problem, so let's jump right in. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. A poor connection is often the reason the app doesn't load or times out during login. Next, check if the Chase app is up to date. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Chase Mobile, and see if there's an option to update. If there is, go ahead and update it. Older versions of the app can sometimes cause login errors. If your app is up to date, but you're still having issues, try clearing the app cache. To do that, hold your finger on the Chase app icon, then tap on the iInfo icon that appears. This will open the app info screen. From there, tap on Storage, and then either clear the app cache or choose Clear All Data. This can help fix any glitches or corrupted files that might be causing login issues. Another common issue is entering the wrong username or password. Double-check your login details. If you've forgotten your username or password, just tap on Forgot Username Password on the login screen and follow the instructions to reset it. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Chase customer support directly. You can call them or use the secure message option on the Chase website to explain your issue. Also, make sure your device's time and date are correct. Incorrect settings can sometimes cause issues with secure apps like Chase.